This is a fit for a 2010 through 2019 Lexus GX 460 with the factory flush side rails removed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex 2-bar base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the RCH legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific RCP base kit, which connects to the fixed point connections. The crossbars are in a predetermined fixed location at 32¼ inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 176 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.